Hey guys, a really good question that gets asked all the time at the beginning of a lawsuit or an insurance claim after a motor vehicle accident is if your rates are going to go up with your insurance company if you make a motor vehicle accident insurance claim in Florida. And so the good news is that Florida lawmakers they've addressed this issue. They've done a good job of addressing what insurance companies can do and what they can't do when it comes to how they do business, how they do advertising, and importantly for this discussion, what they do and how they go about their business of increasing rates. And what the lawmakers have decided and what they've put into the code is that insurance companies, when it comes to raising rates after a motor vehicle accident, that they can only do it. They can only raise your rates if they make a good faith determination that you, the insured, was substantially at fault in the accident, or I guess more clearly, if you're not at fault in the accident, they can't raise your rates, and that's the law, right? So the good news is if you're watching this video and you're one of our clients, the reason you're bringing a motor vehicle accident claim is because somebody else caused the accident, somebody else caused your injuries. You're not at fault, and if you're not at fault, the insurance companies are not allowed to raise your rates just because you're bringing claims. One little caveat that's important to know is that if you've had 3 motor vehicle accidents within the last 3 years, regardless of fault, the insurance company, your insurance company, can choose if they want to terminate your coverage after your policy lapses. They can't raise your rates, but they could terminate your coverage. So any questions, let me know. Again, it's Chris Denman. Thanks.